All right, sweetie. And so we just finished session number 5 in your series. And how are you feeling? You just got worked on. You said that it was, what was your wording when I asked you how you were feeling at the end?
In the heaven.
In heaven, that's right. What are you noticing in your body just from getting up off the table?
Oh, I feel very relaxing, and I feel like my body is very lifted.
Oh, so lighter?
Yeah, lighter.
Awesome.
And I like how I feel when I finish my section of massage.
Oh, yay. Okay, and so we'll kind of just run through the checklist of the things that have shifted for you. So your stress levels before you started your series was like 10 out of 10, if not higher. Is that right? So kind of just really high stress all the time, would you say?
Very, very good. It's a big difference in my stress, and I feel like I enjoy more the days.
Yeah, because you're not so stressed out all the time.
Uh-huh.
Earlier you had said you think it's around like more of a 5 out of 10, so at least half as much as like half the stress. My brain doesn't always work very well after a massage. And then you were having headaches 2 or 3 times a week, and they were all over your head, and it was about a 6 out of 10 intensity. Is that right?
Yes.
And you haven't had a headache since we've started working together.
No headache.
Yay! That is so amazing.
Yeah.
That is a huge change. Yeah. Okay. And then you had neck pain, mostly on the left side, but it was about an 8 out of 10 before, and now it's around a 4 out of 10, you said?
4.
So significantly better.
Very much.
Awesome. And then we talked about your back and hip pain because you had a previous car accident, and the pain out of that was, like you said, higher than 10 out of 10.
Yes.
Would you say it was just in pain all the time? And then now you said it's about a 4.
Yes.
What are you noticing as far as the difference there?
Well, I can move a little bit more fast,
Mm-hmm.
and I can have more activities like I don't have before.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's great. And then you had said, because you originally came in because you just had knee surgery.
Yes.
And your knee pain was more than 10 out of 10. And now it's a 4.
4.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I can walk better. I don't limping anymore, so I going to get improved every day.
That's great. And I know that you were still seeing your physical therapist when we
Yes.
first started working together. But your first couple of sessions with me, you were walking with the cane.
Yes.
And having to go really slow.
Yes.
And since session number 2, or I guess 3, you haven't been using the cane, and you're moving a lot faster.
Yes, more faster, yes.
Awesome. Okay, you had really bad TMJ and clenching. You said more than 10 out of 10 before, and you were having to wear a mouth guard.
Yes.
Was that while you were sleeping?
When I'm sleeping, yes.
And now it's a 0.
I don't use it anymore.
No mouth guard, no pain,
no.
0 out of 10.
I wake up very relaxed, my jaw.
Yay. I'm sure that makes a big difference with the headaches too.
Yes.
Okay, and then your allergies and sinus issues were 10 out of 10.
Yes.
And now it's a 0 out of 10.
0, I don't have nothing.
Yay. And then you said before you were tired and fatigued all the time. You were sleeping 12 to 13 hours a day and taking naps in the afternoon. And now you are sleeping, you said about 4 to 8 hours and no naps.
No naps. Yeah, I feel like I'm sleep many hours. And I don't feel like I need to take any nap during the day.
So your energy levels are better.
Yes.
That's wonderful. Okay, we talked about before you had itchy skin and athlete's foot, and your skin was really dry everywhere, your face, your body, your feet, kind of all the time. Is that right?
Yes.
And now you said, I can say that my skin is healthy and hydrated, and you have like glowing skin in your face, and that you have pretty feet.
Yes, like a baby's feet.
But so they're softer. There's no more of the athlete's foot.
No.
And the dryness and stuff is going away.
Yeah, everything changed a lot in my body because I feel like my body is more smooth, like it's not dry anymore.
Okay.
And I don't have itchy any part of my body.
How long was the dry and itchy skin a problem?
All the time. Since when it's more difficult in this time.
In winter.
Time. Winter because it's more dry. I feel more dry in my skin. And summer too, but more in the winter.
Yeah. Would you say that's been like years?
Yes.
Okay. And now it's a lot better.
Yeah, it's a lot better. This year, really, in this month, exactly, when I'm starting these sections, I don't feel any problem with my skin.
Awesome. Yeah, and we're right in the middle of December, right in the dead of winter in Utah, and all that skin stuff has gone away. Yay. Is there anything else you'd like to say just about your experience or anything else we didn't mention?
Well, I'm very happy to have these sections with you because it helped me a lot.
Oh, yay.
And I'm very, very good. I feel very good. My body, my skin, my humor is very good now.
Your attitude and mood.
Yes.
Yeah, because you had mentioned, which is totally understandable, that with the knee surgery, not being able to move around as much, you're not working, so a little bit of like sadness, maybe not quite into depression, but that probably played a role with why you were sleeping so much as well. So not just sleep and energy, but your mood.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was very bad.
Oh.
I'm ready to recommend this massage. I already talked to my friends and they said later I'm gonna get your phone number to make appointment with you.
Well, wonderful. Thank you so much for spreading the word.
Yeah.
And I'm just so excited that you've noticed such a difference.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thank you.